Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back with us in A and B. I'm Kartina Abdogani, your mobile app trainer, and today I'm going to show you how to do greeting card. Yes, okay. A lot of people ask us what type of apps to be developed and so on and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, to start with, don't need to think so much. A simple e-card greeting card. Every day is a celebration. You can just try and browse US days. Every day there is some celebration, and around the world there's religion celebration, and there's special celebration like Cancer Day, Women's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Teachers Day, Fire Brigade Days, and so many more, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I'm going to share with all of you how to do e-card. Our system AMB is a platform that you will be able to create app without coding. Okay, to start building app without coding. If you would like to learn coding later on, you are free to do so, ladies and gentlemen. Our system can also be customized by your coding. All the layout that you will see will be able to be made changes using CSS. We also have a source code that you can put HTML coding, and you can also put Java and PHP, but those required to be iframe. However, to learn codings, programmings, and so on take many more months to learn, many years for some people, and some people are not able to continue building app because they are so frustrated they cannot even go beyond programming and coding. Our system help you, all of you, to start and build apps. Some of you might feel our apps builder is good enough, there's no need to learn coding. Some of you might want to go a little bit more customization and so on. But most importantly, to start building apps with AMB, there's no need to do coding at all. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's go in. Now is greeting e-card. Okay, we have a 14-day challenge, 14 different type apps, and we are on second day. Okay, let's go in. Okay, to build cards or apps, you have to do some images. So for our members who have joined us, we will share with you all the tools to do design, all the tools where you can actually download images for commercial usage, all right, and you should be able to get ready to publish to Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So in terms of the size, okay, the image size for the card is 600 by 600. Okay, icon will be two size, 512 and 256. But if you have any intention to publish to Apple App Store, we suggest to start with 1024 times 1024. It's a square image for icon. Homepage is 2732 times 2732 is a square image also. Splash screen is the same size. You can use the same image for homepage or splash screen, or you can use different image. So with that, let's now go build the. Alright, so I've logged in and I'm going to click here, create a new application. So what type of app I'm going to do? We are going to do a Mother's Day. Okay, Mother's Day. Okay, all these things that you put in, actually, ladies and gentlemen, you can actually make changes later on, but I just want to make changes there. And let's click create. And we should be able to go in. Okay, to build app within our system, you can do it very fast. Okay, and I'm now actually teaching and showing, so it'll take a bit more time. But if you do on your own, I think maximum 1 hour you'll be able to finish your app. So we don't build app via templates, although we have templates to help you to start, but I don't like to teach my members to build from templates, although templates is there to make your life easy. Okay, but I like to create from fresh. Okay, we are not going into details all these things because we are going to show you that you'll be able to create app fast. Because why I'm doing this video, because there are some comment coming in from the public that we are not really a system that can build apps. So the only way to answer those questions is let me build and you decide yourself. All right. At the end of the day, success in Play Store is not just the content of the app. There's so many other factors. But let's now focus on building apps. So let's go and change your layout. Okay, so there are many layout here, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely, there will be layout that suits your reason for building apps. I'm now showing how to build an e-card, but for you who are watching here now, you might get other inspiration and ideas. Okay, so there are many layouts, and we continue to upgrade and update all this layout to follow current trend. We started with only 10 layout. Okay, so which layout that I want to use? Okay, okay, let me just use this one. Okay, and all this layout that you have selected, you can always change it back. If you feel that now I don't think this is suitable, I want to change something else, you are free to do so, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we have selected the layout, and let's put in a homepage image. So I'm doing Mother's Day. All right, so let's find Mother's Day. I think I've prepared, yep, I've prepared some images. Okay, so it must open properly, ladies and gentlemen, and we click OK. If you don't have any knowledge in terms of how to do image editing and so on, don't worry, we will share with you. So we have that, so we must make sure that it goes in. Okay, we can actually click here, save changes, and we can see that it is being put inside here. This is an emulator. You can also use our smartphone emulator, and if we click here, then it actually should come up all the menu here, but we have not selected any menu yet, so it's empty. All right, so now let's go and start building the content of the app. Let's go to features. Okay, so we have more than 100 feature pages here, ladies and gentlemen, and you will be able to actually build apps from a simple e-cards, wallpaper, travel app to some complicated apps like e-commerce app, e-hailing app, appointment apps, many more different type of apps. If you would like to see the content of what type of apps that we can build, please do refer to our previous video when I share about the features and what type of apps that we are able to build. Now I just want to focus on e-card. Okay, so we are here, so I'm going to just use a custom fish and just put some information, and also I'm going to put instruction on actually how to actually send the e-card. All right, so we can just put the custom page, and I'm going to put here information. Okay, all right. So then next one, I'm going to actually choose the e-card. We can put multiple e-card inside our app. Okay, but I'm going to do just one. You can put Mother's Day, Father's Day, Teacher's Day, or we can put Mother's Day 1, Mother's Day 2, Mother's Day 3, and put multiple higher number of images. For one uh, folder like this, meaning that one page like this, we suggest our member don't put more than 50. All right, but if you have thousand or you have hundreds of e-card, then you put multiple, and you can actually put a topic there. So I'm just going to put here Mother's Days. Okay, all right, so I've already prepared the images. Okay, so I'm going to upload the images now. Okay, these are images that I have actually resized it to 600 by 600, and these are images that I have actually uploaded into tiny JPG to make the size much more smaller. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put few. Okay, because this is something that will take a bit time to do. Okay, now, okay, all right, it's in, and we need to click upload. Okay, then when we click upload, then you will see that it comes here. Okay, let me try and do another two more so that you have some ideas. This image is not nice, so I don't want to put that. Okay, let me just put that one. You can also put a GIF file, ladies and gentlemen, but the GIF file we need to upload via a URL here. How do we upload URL? You can use postimages.org. It's a free service, all right? But do please remember to open your own account so that you can later on retrieve back. So I'm going to put in another image. Okay, let me put this one. But we recommend all image to be uploaded into tiny JPG or tiny PNG to make sure that the size is reduced so that it will be much more faster for users to actually open inside your app. So this is the tiny things that you can do to actually improve. So I have now, okay, about 3 images. Okay, preparing the images and uploading the images will take a bit time. All right, so now what is the next I want to do? Okay, I'm going to put here push notification. Okay, I'm going to put push notification. This is so that we can send push notification to our users. Okay, I think that should be okay. 3 is good enough, but because of the layout that I selected, it's better to put in something. So I'm going to put in just as one game app, one just to have fun. Okay, so users can just play around with it. Okay, don't worry about that. That's internet line. Okay, open properly first. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to select, let me just, yeah, I'm going to select that. Okay, I will be adding more games here so that you have more choices. Okay, I actually have another 50 more games and I will add on so that you can actually put many more games this here. But ladies and gentlemen, our app is e-card. Don't get it confused. We're having too many games here. The game is just to act as a filler. So we have 4 things there. All these tab icon need to change. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So please refer to our manuals and where to download this and also our videos. Videos is easier. Okay, I'm going to go back to design. Okay, I just want to show something before we proceed. I think we are not even 10 minutes, but if you really do it in the image, you're going to upload the image, that will take a bit more time. All right. But then again, ladies and gentlemen, there's no coding. Okay, so now, you see, now we have this, but this is white, this color, so it doesn't gel. So let's go to colors to make changes on that background color so that it will complement with the actual background color of this app. So where do we go? And for those people who knows coding, ladies and gentlemen, we can do advanced customization using CSS. All right. and everything can change. Okay, even you see this round shape just now with CSS, you can actually change it to box if you wish to do so. But then again, it's not important to start building apps. Okay, and for some of our app users, app developers, okay, they don't care about it. Okay, they don't care about it, because at the end of the day, success of app is not just dependent on this. There are a lot of other factors which, for us, that's where you should be focusing at. All right, so that looks a bit more better. Okay, but there are people who would like to go into very minute details and like to make changes and make it different than others. Then you can do that next step. You can go in and learn. Your app is up there already, you can make changes and it will sync automatically. All right, so I think that's great. Now let's go to application and put in the icon, put in the splash screen, and we are ready to publish. Okay, so now what we need to do is that we need to put in icon. Where's my icon? Okay, that's 256 icon. The application name, this is actually that will appear at the bottom here. Okay, our suggestion is not more than 23 characters. So this is the back button appearance. If you know CSS, you can make changes here. So this is push notification. Okay, I'm going to put the 512 image. And this is the splash screen. I'm going to put in a same image as what we did for the home page. You could actually put in a different image if you wish to do so. Alright, we are ready to publish. However, please bear in mind I have not uploaded the images, but I could just publish it now. Yes, because our system, it will sync automatically. So while we are waiting for it to be approved, because to be approved by Google and Apple, Google will take 3 to 5 days. Okay, and then later on, if you want to publish to Apple, also can. But Apple, it must be ready. Okay, within 24 hours, somebody will actually check out your app already. So you cannot do that. Okay, although it's synced automatically. But for Google, you can do take 3 to 5 days. By the time they approve your app, all your 50 images are in. Okay, I have actually 70 images. Okay, so yeah, it can sync automatically. There's no need to update your app. Okay, that's the beauty of our system. All right. Okay, so how to put in the bundle ID, how to put in the package name, please refer to our videos on how to do that. If you want to monetize your app via advertisement, meaning that when a user download your app, then they will be able to you will be able to generate income as they view the advertisement. Please refer to our videos and manuals on how to open your AppMob account. You only open one time, then after that you generate the banner ID and the teaser ID. Is not difficult, ladies and gentlemen. You get, this is how you can actually earn passive income. Okay, the application is ready for publishing, and I will click here. And I will add on here and I click save. Yeah, it's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. I think it doesn't take us more than 20 minutes. Okay, bearing in mind I have prepared some of the images. Okay, so now click here. To prepare for the images will take a bit more of your time, but if you focus, 1 hour max. All right, but it's like driving a car, learning how to ride your bicycles, learning to even ride horses and so on. The initial stage will be very slow, we are very scared, we are very cautious, we are very particular, this and this. But the moment you know how to go about doing it, it's going to be very fast. Okay, so editor publication, there's no coding, right, ladies and gentlemen, as what we promised. And ikat is something that you can do every month. There's a celebration. Okay, Alright, so now what happened is that the source code is up already, and we're going to publish for Android APK and generate APK within 2 to 3 minutes. Your APK will be ready. You can download your APK into your smartphone, do a final test. You're happy with that, publish to Play Store. Although I've only put in 3 images there, ladies and gentlemen, if I were to publish this, I'm not worried because it can sync automatically. Okay, because furthermore, Google will take 3 to 5 days to approve your first app. So you have ample time to do it. But if you want to wait until all the images goes in, also can. It's up to you. It's your choice. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I wish all of you the best. Okay. And thank you for being with us in AMB. Please do, for those people who have not joined us, I hope by seeing this video you can see how easy it is to build apps. Okay, using our platform is not easy if you want to learn the software, codings, programming, and so on, but we help you to start first. Okay, doesn't stop you to go and learn, or if you are learning now, doesn't stop you to continue learning. It's not a waste of time. Those are knowledge, but to build app with us, you don't even need to start learning and then continue build app. You can now do it and publish, and you can improve it via non-coding at all. But if you wish to do so, nobody is gonna stop you. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being with us in AMB. We welcome all of you to join us soon. With that, thank you so much.